This curry's hot, innit? Oh, for goodness sake, no dirty minds. No, I mean the sauce. Spicy. Well, welcome to episode 4 of Food Cookery Tips. Today, we're showing you how to make a delicious pork curry with rice. So the first step is put some pork into the thing, just like so. Cut it up into
Small chunks.
So you get the sauce onto it, lovely, in a minute. Looking good. Basically just put all the meat on, as much meat as you can to make it nice and meaty. Then you add your sauce on afterwards. Look at that, tender.
Tender as a baby's bottom.
Yeah. Looking good.
Don't want the fat bit on it, do you?
No.
Why not? Good for you.
Wow. Just makes it yunky. So you do that until you...
Done away with it all.
Yeah, exactly.
So some poor pig somebody's cut up.
Yeah.
Slit his
I
throat.
feel sorry for the poor pig.
Yeah.
There he gets life.
Cut it up small.
Yep.
And it cooks safely though.
Yep, then spread it around. Well, now all the meat's all in.
No.
You go use your
Yeah.
curry sauce. Yep.
And turn the
Now
key.
we've got all the meat put into the dish.
That
Now you open the curry.
goes
Get
away.
a grown up to open the tin lid because the lid is very sharp.
Very bad.
So just like so.
Yeah.
So
Why
you
not?
get the curry poured in. So use a big spoon.
Open the lid.
Open
Not
the
with
lid
your fingers.
carefully.
Not with your fingers.
No, it's that sharp blade there. Oh, look at that curry sauce.
Scrape it out.
So yeah, plonk that in. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. Then once you've poured it all in, give it a stir. Get the meat mixed in as well, and that'll be delicious. So yeah. So there you go, all that's mixed in just like so. That's the sauce with the meat mixed in. Now you've got to light the oven just to certain temperature, warm that up. Make sure it's lit. Yeah, that's lit. And then put the curry ready to go in. Plonk that in and let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Right, that was my wee mix to frozen. So yeah, you can put a lid on the saucepan because that helps the water come to the boil a bit quicker. So you get your gas lit to get the rice water on. Let that all come to the boil for a bit, and then once it's temperature, and put your rice in. 21 minutes that'll cook. So you just pour your rice in, and now you give it a stir. It's come to the boil, and put the lid back on. Sorry if the camera's blowing up, it's the steam coming out. You don't want the rice to stick like glue. And then see how the curry is. Yeah, that's all okay. And just keep an eye on it really. So it's ready. Some bread as well to go with your curry and rice. Normally you can have naan bread, but you can have bread as well, so counts as the same thing really. But it's ready, guys, so got to get a colander at the ready. Hopefully come down here. Plonk it into the colander, just like, look all the steam going up. It's like, I don't know how to describe it.
Well, you've hardly
Just
any
pour
rice,
the
you know,
cat
put
on,
much in. I don't
and give it
want
a stir, get all
No, I
the
don't want the shit.
stuff out. It's the
Don't ever eat
water.
curry is shit.
Just get that all out. Yeah.
Yeah, not much rice there. Not enough.
Yeah. Looks perfect. Looks
Fluffy.
yeah, fluffy. That's the word. Cooked to perfection.
Yeah, I'm having it.
That's
Can have it all.
just gotta keep taking the blur off. That looks gorgeous. Whilst that's being served up, turn the oven off. Get some oven gloves on. Because remember, it's hot, hot, hot. I'm left-handed, by the way, guys, so I've got to get that out just like so. Oh, look at that.
Leave it.
It's beautiful.
Burning your hand.
Just plonk it there. And you give it a stir. And then there you have it. Pork curry and rice. Well, I'm going to make you jealous again at home, guys, because I'm going to tuck in. Thank you for watching. You know what to do by now. Subscribe button down there on the bottom right there. My latest video will pop up in it on the left, and then that will pop up on the right there. So the links will end screen, shall we say. And I'm going to enjoy this now in peace. I'll tell you what it's like. Delicious. Cooked to perfection. Peace out.